here in southern New England working on boxwood in September. These are Korean boxwood that are very vigorous. And they can get to be 6 or 8 feet wide in my experience. So these, we don't want to get that wide. So we're doing aggressive thinning, taking out really the thicker growth, and then we'll just lightly shear them. So that's an example of it after it's been thinned and then lightly sheared. Give you some insight. So you can see some of the cuts. Fairly good sized cut, and it's made inside the plant. So what's left is light and springy. This is the south side. So this was very dense. And so we've made some bigger cuts on this side because it's more vigorous. So the cuts are in relation to, so that's a fairly good sized cut. And that'll more or less take the vigor out of it where it's the most vigorous. And then on the north side where it's less vigorous, it's more or less, we're trying to equalize the vigor. So from an appearance standpoint, it appears it's evenly shaped. So some of those bigger holes may have been due to the larger cuts. That will fill in very quickly, and the result will be nice and soft foliage there without having to do excessive pruning, excessive shearing in the future.